All right, guys, hey, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special brand new listing for you here, almost brand new construction actually. We are at 16663 Varone Cove Court here in Winter Garden, Florida. Beautiful summer day here, a little bit of sprinkling, but we have to come show you it's amazing property here. Right in the Twin Waters community. It's a Meritage home, Kerrville II model as well, and a cute little cul-de-sac. Actually, the community pool, which we'll show you at the end of the video, is right down the street here. It's about a football field away, so you gotta come check it out. Let's go. Okay, so right when we enter the home, we have the formal dining room here on the left, and then we have a nice spacious office here on the right, and then we come back this way into the family room. For the bedrooms and the movie theater are upstairs, and then we have one of the masters downstairs here, and we have the beautiful spacious kitchen, granite countertops, nice upgraded cabinets, as well as the appliances. Very bright, very open, a lot of windows here for the backyard, which is a very nice sized lot. And then yeah, we have over here is the full master. We have a half bathroom as well downstairs and the 3-car garage, which you saw, and then we'll come take a look upstairs. Alrighty, so here we are upstairs. We have all the rest of the bedrooms here, all the fun stuff. We have a beautiful, great area here, so plenty of room for just about anything you can imagine. We have the second master bedroom in the back here, as well as some more bedrooms this way. And then the movie theater is right here, right in the center of attention here in the home. It's already got the screen and the projector included. And yeah, you have to come experience it for yourself. So let's go check out the amenities in the community now. Okay, so here we are at the community pool, the community rec center here. Beautiful pool. Again, everything's like within 3 years old here. So you're walking right into an almost brand new community, brand new house almost, you know, turnkey. You don't have to deal with builders and waiting and timing and all that stuff. Everything's ready to go for you here. We have a beautiful covered, as you can see from the rain, community area where you can have, you know, some get-togethers. There's actually a kitchen here as well you have access to. You also have, then you have the pool, another covered area over there. There's a top playground, and then behind me is the nature trail, nature preserve trail. So lots of amenities here, lots to offer here, Twin Waters. You actually have the shopping center right down the street as well, a couple miles, and then 429 is just, you know, 5-10 minutes away. So very easy access. You're about 30 minutes to Disney, 30 minutes to downtown here, from, again, Winter Garden, Twin Waters community here. My name is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. My cell phone is 321-287-3913. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.